coward. You can't make big talk and then you just run with some go back a foreign. The man make some big talk and run and go back a foreign. See?
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, wagwan. Everything blessed, all of my lion and my lioness. Yeah man, anyone in there big up on the damn self. Don't know Rob, big up yourself, you know, you don't know. MD2K TV, big up yourself. White Shadow, big up yourself. All of the viewers and subscribers, the inactive and the active one them. Big up on the damn self. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know. Lion foot, I will keep the thing real. Anyway, it's another vlog I ready to when I boast now, bro. I give thanks to life. Whatever you do, remember to put Father God first. Trust in Him, He will never let you down. Mine seems like the journey is long, but trust me, hold the faith, you're not wrong. You see me? All my viewers and subscribers, we are going on the grapevine right now. And yes, the Matterhorn license firearm got taken away by the FLA. See? You know FLA in Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, in the firearm license association or whatever. You see me? He went to renew his gun, and this is alleged. Until Matterhorn come out and address the matter, you know what I mean? Then, you know, it's all alleged. So Ricky Trooper did a live, and yeah man, I don't know. Right now that's the latest what going on. You see me? Yeah, and also Buju Banton make a little speech. I say your self-defense is the first priority right now because nobody cares about you. You see? So big up the guy, but let them always speak out. So my viewers and subscribers, let me come hear Ricky Trooper say, then let me know what you think in the comment section. And so I say, big up on the damn self. But just before I come hear Ricky Trooper say, I want to check out them two female artists here. Lady Danger and Tina B.
Start lip on a tray, she get box and kick in her face, make the nails eyelash wig. After replace them start trim, but when bad gal in the plane, make blood clot gal run like she in a maze. Box and kick a bitch anytime ready, this a no party time, no time for content. And if your friend them thought them get one out of me shetty, me a the full clip and come collect it for me.
So nice, till hungry I go strike, but me a hold it up. The pressure was fight, and I not lose my cool. Me hungry no nice, till hungry I go strike. Things rough, more wise things tough, but me still have up at them one time up. No picnic them a depend for me, only them could have say, mommy for me grind on top. And out of the barry me a crying out, yeah, no crap can't stop that. Me fully focus on a bit together, and you not move on.
You know, Lady Danger shoot for a long time over the years. And I mean, know her from before she turned artist, she had dance. You see me? Tina B just discovered her. Well, she reached out to me and I honor that, you know what I mean? So, don't know. Where talent is concerned, we have to highlight it, you know what I mean? And enough talent out there, and you don't know. We work off of the energy, you know. We don't take program. See? So, yeah, big up Tina B, big up Lady Danger. Yeah man, Tina B has a sound. I like her sound and her positivity in her music, her delivery. So, I want to go check them out. See? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, I don't know. Here Ricky Trooper.
Yeah, Tony, me I look for still now. I want to find Tony and send a number for Tony Matterhorn for me. I need to talk to Tony. Because Tony come a Jamaica star and Jamaica a few days ago. And when Tony come to Jamaica, then go some Bamston and take away Tony gun star. You know? Then take away Tony machine. As them take away Tony gun, Tony lift up and run, go back and far. You see him there. Alright, the man come yesterday. And go to them. Go try renew in peace. And the man go try renew in peace. Then man renew it back. Then take it away. And the man also lift up back the same time and run back and foreign.
So is the man afraid of the ground?
Yeah, the man afraid. So people don't tell Tony say he can't come back to Jamaica. Cause me, big up yourself. Tell Tony say he can't come back to Jamaica. Tell him say me can't defend him. Tell him say me nah make kill a trouble him. Cause for me go some woman and
so what are they? I see a little thing where they both make him need that protection there.
No, but him go on YouTube, go show gun and say I'm a bad man. See, Tony go up on YouTube and show a gun and say I'm a bad man. And after I'm going to show a gun and say I'm a bad man, then the man come to Jamaica now if come
exercise that privilege.
So, yeah, exercise the privilege and can renew in machine. So when you go up a place now, figure renew in machine now, saying you have one gate where you have to walk through for the people who know them all get back for them thing up at FLA. And the gate where you go through now, but if them are going to take away your thing, so if a man see him go through the gate, which part them are going to take away thing, so I'm go over the part there, and then not give back the youth him thing. So when the man goes some boom and go over the part there now, and he not get back the gun now, the man just goes some boom and just lift up star and run go back a far in the same day. Saying,
so you don't lift up too? Yes.
No, I'm not lift up because let me tell you something. Jamaica is a place where if you have a license piece and FLA take your license piece, and him say my street youth and the street love him, he not have to run away. Any gangster would have give him piece or a piece, or he could have find somewhere where he could have go borrow one.
But the man no one not wrongdoing. So
I'm not wrongdoing. The man say I'm a bad man.
No, but my body my peace.
Yo, Baker. Paper, say Baker, and informer wrote me out. Say Baker let people. Say Baker bail there. I mean a Baker, how will I vibes?
I mean I will read. So me I tell him the logic thing say, if my powers has been cut, I have a cut speed too. Say the man come in and now in shopping so on. Cut.
Yo, hear me as a people. Anyone don't know which part Tony there? Anyone don't know what Tony there? I want to find Tony for me.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you hear Ricky Trooper say, Jano Star. I don't know if it's a real thing or what. You don't know Ricky Trooper on the ground and him not going to talk. Him not going to talk no fabricated thing. So, until, for now, if it's alleged, until Tony Matterhorn come and address the matter. But one thing, when you think about Bounty Killer report him, I want a Bounty Killer associate report him. Remember, I'm telling you all the while, you know, you have the police, them are watching, and the government, them are watching, and the authorities, people, them are watching on social media. They know everything going on. See? Yeah, you have the hip-hop police, you have the dancehall police, you have the trap police who break down everything in the music and link them with the crime. You see me? So some man go do them crime and then them start sing about it. You see what I say? And them call such man name in the song and them say, okay, such man is linked with that crime there. I feel them call Panama murder there. Or that robbery there. And I see them sing about it in the song there. And link them together. Then you say the artist get in trouble. Is in trouble. Arrested her for questioning her, charged with this or that and that. Remember me, I'll tell you now. We have hip-hop police, you have dancehall police, you have trap police, you have breakdown and solving the songs them with the crimes and that are going on. Not just in Jamaica, but America and England. So be careful, artists. So you know, Ricky Trooper also lost his visa for the same thing where he displayed his a firearm, his gun, on social media, YouTube, and he ended up lost his visa for that because I must say the gun wasn't licensed. You know what I mean, and thing. But people do make mistakes. Ricky Trooper talk it himself. So when he in a film predicament, people laugh and say, "My eat that and this and that." No, Ricky Trooper is laughing. I said, well, Matterhorn, a coward and Matterhorn run. I not even didn't know some Matterhorn show a gun and say, yo, rah. I know some the talk say him have him gun and if Bounty Killer call up him name again or whatever, shooting and blah blah blah, and me them buck. See? I never know say him show it did show his gun. But I know and everything me keep up with on social media because you see me, have my work, you know? Yeah. So Matterhorn went to renew with his gun and ended up lose it and take it away. We don't know, alleged. Zine. So Ricky Trooper said Matterhorn take away himself style. You see me? Quick fly out back. You know what I mean? So that's going on for Matterhorn. My viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen, Lion and Lioness, let me know what you think in the comment section. You think someone reported him? You know, or you know? The way him did deal with Bounty Killer was very savage, you know? Yeah. And degrading, so maybe somebody report him on behalf of a bounty killer. All the people that I see on social media say, yo, you don't really have no relevance for the gun. Because you're there foreign all the while. And, you know what I mean? You make threat. You make public threat. You see me? You know, when you have your license firearm gun, it's for self-defense or if you're a businessman or whatever. Business personnel, you know? So, I don't know the reason why them take it if it is true. You see me? But I know only thing my viewers and subscribers said. Alright, yeah man. Last and not least, just hear a little advice from Buju Banton. Big up the Gargamel. I don't know. My viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, you're the Gargamel, I say.
And since we're in a society where everyone is extremely passive, I want to give you a word of advice. The word self-defense comes into effect when someone is coming to take your life or coming to do something to you, to hurt you. You have self-defense in your favor. Since you won't get any justice from those who should give us justice, remember my people, self-defense is in your favor. No one should force anything on you that you do not want. If you do not want it and you clearly state that you do not want it, no one should force anything on you. I see no one forcing food, I see no one forcing nothing good on you. I'm saying to you, self-defense is in your favor. I love you all.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that's the Gargamel say. You know, when you got no help, no assistance, nobody cares for you. So right now, if you force thing for you, is when you know and a man try bully you or anything, you know what I mean, your self-defense come first. See? Your self-defense come first because people are try bully you, intimidate you, antagonize you, and you know, force you against your will. You know what I mean? Self-defense. And that Buju Banton clearly I make you know. Self-defense. If a man a war with you, a woman a war with you, and a trouble you all the while and feel say you soft soap, make sure you report it first. So once you report it, you see me? Then you take your action, self-defense. That means the police them have it on file. You see me? I don't know what other self-defense Buju Banton at. Yo, big up the guy, my viewers and subscribers, big up on the damn self. I don't know a lion put in another vlog, I will do it when I boast and brag. Yeah man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell whenever you feel like doing so. See? Yeah man, Cashapp. I'm out.
A pressure bus pipe and I not lose my cool. Me hungry enough life, still hungry I go strike. Every get a yard, things rough, more while things tough. But me still I go for too much time up. My pity them a depend on me. Only if them could have seen, say mommy panic grind non-stop. I know who's a
who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot and close. In a shame for time. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up my life wasn't easy. Believe me, it wasn't a better